In this lesson, we're going to learn how to graph an inequality on a number line. So if we have a problem like this that says, what inequality does the number line show? And we see this number line, and we have a circle here that's not filled in, and then we have a line with an arrow that just keeps going. So we need to decide what inequality equation satisfies this. So first thing to know is a filled-in circle includes the number it is located on, and an open circle does not include the number it is located on. This is an open circle on the 15, so that means the 15 is not included. So we are trying to write an inequality that says the variable can be anything shown by the arrow and circle. So the variable, usually it's x, can be anything on this line and beyond, but not including the 15. So this is a good time to review. When numbers go this way, they're getting bigger. This would mean greater than. When the numbers go this way, numbers are getting smaller. You could see they're getting smaller. This would mean less than. And we could see here the arrows pointing this way. Numbers are getting smaller. So that means we're going to use the less than sign. So since x, which is the variable, x is called the variable, can be any number less than 15, the inequality is x is less than 15. And because this circle is not filled in, it does not include the 15, so we don't put equal to here. If this was a filled-in circle, this inequality would be x is less than or equal to 15. But it isn't. So that's the end of the lesson, and don't worry if you don't get this right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You could just rewatch the video, and you've got this. Anyone can do math. If you need extra help, take a look at the description. There's links to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this as well. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, you could follow along this exact lesson as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.